Hello, my dear students. So it's very good to see many students sent messages. They sent the answers, but all the answers given by students, almost all answers are incorrect. Only one answer given by Mr. Sheikh Farhan is 100% correct. So Physics King of the Week is Mr. Sheikh Farhan. So very good, well done, beta, right? So now let's see what is the concept behind it. So what you are doing basically, temperature of CD is maintained. So temperature of CD is constant, it's maintained, and that is T. And we need to find temperature of what? Temperature of AB in steady state. Okay. Find temperature of plate AB. So plate AB temperature is required. CD you are maintaining at a constant temperature. So what should be our brainstorming angle here? Here we need to find somehow that how much heat radiations are striking on plate AB due to CD. Because once we can find out the amount of heat radiation striking, so then it's a black body. So total heat incident on AB is heat absorbed by plate AB, right? Okay. So since plates are what? Very long. Here it is given very long plates. So whatever heat is coming, so we can assume that all that heat radiations which are coming from CD will either strike on plate AB, right, or will go in other directions like this. So in comparison to plate area, that area of this section means any plane section like this at the end, this one, that is negligible. Okay, so that will be our reasonable assumption. So this area is going to be negligible as compared to area of the plates, right? Okay, so now we need amount of heat radiations on AB from CD. Heat incident on AB will be totally absorbed as A is equal to 1, black body, that I said. Now what is critical thinking point here? So we can close ACD with a plane of length as shown. So now I am considering just left section. This ACD, this section I am considering that from surface CD how much radiations are striking on AC. The same story will be on the right side. Okay. So once I can find this, the amount of heat radiations, and I will just make it double. Okay. So what is the critical thinking point here? We can close ACD with a plate. So again by a long plate only. So we can close it. So now we can find view factor of 1 on 2 plus view factor of 1 on 3 is equal to 1. So that is one thing, because it is now we are closing it. Okay, so it's a now AD and CD are completely enclosing plate AC. It's like that. Or you can say AC and AD are completely enclosing plate CD, right? Okay, so now F13 into L, capital N into small l. So view factor of 1 on 3 multiplied by area of plate 1. So into the plane that long length, let's say it is a small l. Then area of this plate AC will be capital L into small l. So length AC I am assuming capital L. Similarly F31. So F31 into the plane that length is a small l only, but that length is by geometry root 2L. Okay, and view factor of 3 on 1 is 1 by 2, right, because plate 3 is a symmetrical, right, so both AC and CD length are equal. So I can say view factor of 3 on 1 plus view factor of 3 on 2, their sum should be equal to 1. So view factor of 3 on 1 should be 1 by 2 by symmetry. Okay, bete. So now view factor of 1 on 3, so I am finding, so view factor of 1 on 3 I am getting 1 by root 2. Okay, bete, means whatever amount of heat radiations from 1 that is coming, 1 by root 2 times that will strike on 2. Similarly F21. So F12, so F12 what we are getting? So this we are getting F13, and we can get to F12 from this equation. So from this equation we can find but F12 also. So F12 I am getting or F12 or F21, same thing, na beta? So F21 we are getting 1 minus 1 by root 3. So very important thing we are getting, means whatever heat is coming from 2, how much is striking on 1, that expression we got. Okay, so heat incident on 1 divided by heat emitted by 2, so that is 1 minus 1 by root 2. So now Q1 is what? Sigma A T to power 4, right? So you emitted from 2, so emitted from 2 is this quantity, since it's the black body, is equal to 1. So area is capital L into small l length is into the plane, so plate area is L into small l. So I'm talking about just one surface, CD means left surface. Okay, right surface is still there, so I will make what? Double. So total heat coming is 2Q1, so double. Okay beta. So temperature of AB we are assuming T dash. So the net heat emitted is 2 sigma 2L into small l. Now I'm talking about AB. So this AB, the total length is what beta? 2L into the plane length is small l. So area is 2 into capital L into small l, that is area. And on both sides it's emitting. And the question I said that heat transfer is taking place only through conduction. Oh, sorry, only through radiation. So conduction is not taking place. Okay. So that is what total heat emitted also we got. Total heat incident we know. So now by what beta? Energy conservation, what we are getting? Heat emitted, it is equal to heat absorbed. Okay, so that is heat emitted and that is heat absorbed, right? And on solving, what you are getting? T dash. So this T dash we are getting. So T dash was what? Temperature of AC. Understood beta? Any confusion then please message me. So that is a question. Thank you.